we're going to learn about the climate control system in your new Macan Electric. We're going to start off on the center console here. There are a number of different buttons and options for you to choose from when adjusting your climate control. The first button to look at here is the auto button. Once you select this, it will take the chosen temperature and automatically change the climate to match that. You can adjust that using the knurled rocker switch here. Now, if you would like to adjust the fan speed, you can do so here, but you'll notice it will turn off the auto. Moving here to the main switch, you can turn the AC system off by moving it down there. It will still allow you to use the fans. And up to max if it's warm outside. And it will take it to low temperature. There are also adjustment buttons down here on the bottom. Sync will match all 4 zones in the vehicle. You have your max defrost for the front windshield. You have your rear defrost for the rear windshield. You can select those and they'll turn amber. You can also select this for air recirculation. You'll see also on the side here your heated and ventilated seats if you have these options. The first button push will turn to full power. Each button push after that will reduce the power by 1. You can also see this button here, the climate menu. You can select this to be able to adjust additional settings in the PCM. First thing I want to point out is this soft and strong. If you're in auto, this changes the flow of air between strong and soft. You can change that. If you're synced, it will do it for all 4 zones. Let's talk about these buttons here. These are basically turning a zone of vents on and off. If you only want the footwell zone to be on, you can select that. As you noticed, it took us out of auto, and we are only getting air from the footwell zone. You can add, if you like, a kind of mid-level zone here, or if you'd like to add the top zone as well. For this middle row of vents, you can adjust the direction of the air using this tab. We also have this particular adjustment, which allows you to fully turn the vent off, or if you like it halfway, half the amount of air, or all the way to the top with the full amount. You can adjust it to your liking. On the outside, closest to the door, you also have a vent that can be adjusted in the same manner. You can turn it all the way off, all the way on, or somewhere in between. It can also be adjusted by the tab here in the vent, depending on the direction you would like the air to flow. And there's one of these on either side of the cabin. Let's go back to auto here. The next thing you can adjust here is the center vent, being able to turn that on and off. We also have off and Eco Plus. You can select Eco Plus if you're trying to save range and drive a little bit more economically. Or if you'd like to turn the entire system off, just select the off button. You can turn it back on by selecting this button. Now let's go to the rear of the vehicle. In the rear of the vehicle, you have similar adjustments, much like the front, to turn on this zone or the footwell zone. As you noticed, it took you out of auto there, but you can just go right back by selecting auto or selecting the sync button in the center console. Much like the front, you can adjust the temperature here, or if you'd like to adjust the fan speed individually, as you'll notice, it will also take you out of auto mode. You can also turn off the rear climate control system by selecting the off button. Now let's take a minute to talk about pre-cooling and heating your vehicle. Select this tab. Say for instance, if it's a hot day and you would like to cool down your car prior to getting in it, you can set a departure timer to cool or heat your vehicle. You can set the temperature. You can select which zones. If I'm driving to work by myself, I will select that and it is just going to do the climate control for the driver. Even if you don't have a departure timer set, you can set it to pre-cool and heat as soon as you unlock the vehicle. You can do so by moving that slider. Now, say for instance, you have a certain time of day that you're departing and you would like to set it up to pre-cool or heat the vehicle every day that you're departing. You can do so here in departure timers. Let's add a new timer. Okay, we're going to edit it. I'm going to depart around 8 a.m. There we go. I'm going to repeat this on the weekdays. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, but Saturday, Sunday, I won't be departing. And I'm going to pre-cool and heat for departure. Going to go back. Going to make sure this one is active. And now we've activated our pre-cooling and heating departure timer. Now we'll hop in the back to show you how to adjust the rear zone climate control. Okay, here we have our rear climate control module. You have your vents for the back here. You can manually adjust those, much like the front. You can also adjust the flow here, going from off to on or somewhere in between. And you have your climate control here as well. You can adjust the fan, which will turn auto off. And then you can adjust your zones to turn just this on or just the bottom on and turn that off, depending on what you like. Or you can go to auto and adjust the temperature this way. You also have optional seat heating here in the rear. You can do one button push to turn it on and additional pushes to reduce the level. You can now adjust your climate control settings in your new Macan Electric.